Have you ever wanted to build something with Lego that looks almost alive and you just cannot buy it in a set?
Get ready to brick your world in 3 easy steps. Snap it, brick it, build it.
What's behind Brick My World? And how does it really work? Using advanced photogrammetry and voxelization, we reconstruct your scanned object into a highly detailed 3D model.
But we don't stop there.
Right. We transform that 3D model into easy-to-follow, step-by-step Lego instructions delivered straight to your device. Whether you're a casual builder or a Lego enthusiast, our app makes it simple. You can print the instructions or just use a PDF in a tablet. Along with your custom instructions, we provide a full manual and parts list, making sure you have everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Brick My World is something that's never been done before.
Developing Brick My World has been an exciting journey. Technology behind our app is so complex and requires significant resources.
That's why we need your support on Kickstarter to take it to the next level. And here's the best part. By backing us now, you'll receive lifetime access to Brick My World. Be part of this groundbreaking innovation. Back our Kickstarter today and be among the first to build your world, your way, with Brick My World.